Hi all. Before I start, I can assure you one thing. This is going to be amazing demo for you because I guess we are the first, who is going to present demo by comparing side by side, just like a tech YouTubers. So in left hand side, you can see the actual whatnot app, right? So in right hand side, you can see the white level app which is developed by us. So I'll share the demo by comparing all the features side by side. So before I start, I'll tell you two things. One thing is all the icons you are seeing in this app in the white level app, all those icons are the dummy icons, right? Why I didn't use the real icons? Because let's suppose you are going to live this white level app. So all the startups and business person want their own color scheme. So based on your color scheme, we will design icons for you. So that is why you can find all the dummy icons here. So second thing, I'll tell you what about the whatnot app in just one line. So whatnot app is a e-commerce app, basically e-commerce live streaming app where sellers go live and buyers bid on the product and buy it. That's it. So let's start with the real whatnot app. So in top you can find a search, right? So whenever you click on search, you can find lot of suggestions. Similarly in our app, whenever you type any word, you will find the same suggestions. So on top you will always find the live sellers. When the sellers is live, so then sellers will show on the top. So now move to the next feature. So you can see a message icon, right, in both sides. So in left hand side, you will not find any message because I haven't initiated any chat with the seller. So in right hand side, you can find the message screen, right? It's just like a WhatsApp or whatnot. So all those chat will show here. Now you can find the reward screen. Yeah, again it's a very much similar on both sides. In our app, in actual app, right, coupon is also working. Yeah, one thing I must say that the coupon screen is on screen is better than the real whatnot. So now the main dashboard, you can in the footer you can see home, category, sell, activity, account, and it's similar on our app. So yeah, now it's basically a clone of whatnot, but you can ask us changes, you can ask us rebranding, color scheme, or whatever we will do for you. So now let's directly move to the live streaming screen, which is the heart of this app. Here I'm clicking on the, so you can see a seller is live, right? And in left hand side you can find a lot of controls like boost, clip, share, wallet, and shop. Again and you can find comments which is made by the buyers, right? Let me show you how comment visible sent. Again here you can see my hi button, right? Ashish Pandey, comment made by Ashish Pandey. And let me show you how my live streaming screens visible look like. Again similar, you can see a red screen because sellers are not live. Let me mute it, sorry. Okay, yeah, now so here in our app you can find the color screen because sellers are not live and it's just a demo. When sellers will go live, you can find the sellers here just like just similar to whatnot. So again we also have menu, boost, clip, share, wallet, and shop. So when someone click on shop, right, you can you can visit the store of that particular seller. And also you can see the floating streaming icon, right? So in our app, whenever someone click on shop, again it's very much similar. You can see sorting, auction, sold, and all those things here also. And again, yeah, here we also have a floating icon. So Now let's move to the next feature.
Who's gonna win this night and who's gonna win this next one? So train. An amazing thing.
So now let me show you categories. On both sides you can find the identical screens, right? In trending today, again we have a trending today, but yes, we have dummy icons, and in the real screen you can find the actual icon, which make it more impressive. Whenever we will add more real icons, this skin will also look like a real skin. In fact, it will look better because we have more features and other things. We have planned a better way. So yes, you can see a lot of categories. Whenever scroll down, you can find the lot of categories. Similarly, yeah, we also have a categories, and we have a more categories, right? So now let me tell you selling process, how sellers can onboard. I'll show you side by side as I promised. So as I already completed the onboarding process, so in left hand side I cannot show you, but yes, I can show you how my selling how in our app sellers can onboarded. So here there will be a lot of questionnaires in which category sellers most often sell, right? So suppose I'm choosing men's fashion, right? Sneakers and shoes. Although I'm not able to show you in left hand side because I have already completed the process, but I can assure you it's a very much similar. Same questionnaire, same design, same look and feel, everything is the same. Skip anywhere, right? You can provide the shop website. Skip anywhere. So yes, so I cannot proceed further because here whenever I'll input number and OTP is required. But yes, I guess you are getting my point that most of the screens and feature and functionality are the same. Now let's move to the accounts. So yes, you can see the identical screen again, right? So yes, account, health, purchase, address, notification, change email, same password, passkey, preferences, everything is same in both app, right? So yes, whenever someone click on account health, in left hand side you can see whenever a buyer or seller will breach policy, right? So here they will see the notifications, right? So if they will continuously breaching the policies, then master admin has right to disable their account. It's just similar like we can do in YouTube, Amazon and eBay and whatnot as well. Here my account is excellent. So addresses, again same, change password, everything is same. Control, yeah, control has more feature. We have a more control feature. Let me show you this thing. Yes, we have a lot of features. Next is activity tab, right? So yes, similar activity tab, all the activities done by you or done by a buyer or seller or consumer will be shown here. So for now I'm just sharing a demo of a buyer and a seller, how seller will onboard themselves, right, and how buyer will make purchase. So in next video I'll share the master admin dashboard and the seller scheme. So if you are interested to buy this app to or launch this app within a 1 month or 2 months, right, then we can plan it for you based on your requirement. So you can find the link in the description. In case you are interested, you can contact us by visiting the link. Thank you.